this video, you'll learn how to create a professional email signature using Bybrand's LinkedIn-based generator. This method is ideal for those looking for agility. It automatically loads the public data from your LinkedIn profile to generate a complete email signature in just a few seconds. Let's get started. On the Bybrand dashboard, click on the option to create a new signature from LinkedIn. You will see two creation options. The first allows you to use your personal LinkedIn profile. The second uses a company profile. For this tutorial, we'll use the profile of a public company as an example. Open LinkedIn in a new tab and copy the URL of the desired company page. In our case, we'll use Amazon's page as an example. With the URL copied, go back to the Bybrand. Paste the link into the text box and click the Generate button. Bybrand will automatically import information such as company name, logo, headline, website. This data will be used to set up the initial structure of the signature. Now I'm going to use Bybrand's own URL to show the result. The generated signatures will appear below. Choose the one that best suits your style by clicking Choose This. Once selected, you will be taken to the full signature editor. Here, you can customize everything. Change the logo, change texts, add links to social media such as LinkedIn. When you've finished editing, click to save the signature. Then use the Preview and Test option to see how it will look in the email, and send yourself a test. When ready, click Paste to copy your signature and use it in Gmail, Outlook, or your preferred email client. If you want to create a similar signature for an employee, you can duplicate the current signature and just make the necessary adjustments. That's it. Now you know how to create email signatures quickly using Bybrand's LinkedIn-based generator.